Why does your scanner show the P2085 engine code? What does it mean? P2085 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, intermittent bank 1 sensor 2. The P2085 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the exhaust gas temperature sensor is reporting readings outside the expected operating range or is not responding correctly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, damaged or restricted catalytic converter, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.